Hello to all. I'm so glad to welcoming you all to Sri Ishwar Innovation Challenge 2020 from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And in this video, we are going to present about the project called Underwater Wireless Communication using Li-Fi technology. And we, the Scuba Squad, and myself, I'm Nohit from second year EEE, and my colleagues Janani and Linda from same second year EEE. Well, we need a system to develop for wireless communication which is safe and reliable at the same time. There are around 1.4 million cellular mass radio waves based stations and which over 5 billion mobile phones are developed. And these mobile phones transmit over 600 TB of data. And presently, wireless communication uses radio waves, and moreover, spectrum is one of the most essential requirement for this wireless communication. And with the advancement in technology and the number of users, the exciting radio wave spectrums fails to gather to this need. So to resolve these issues of availability and security, we have come up with the concept of transmitting data wirelessly through light using LEDs, which is called as light fidelity, which is also known as Li-Fi technology, where this Li-Fi technology makes use of LED light, which helps in transmission of data much more faster and flexible than the data that can be transmitted through Wi-Fi. And from this, I'm handing over my session to my colleague Janani.
Good evening to all. I am Janani from Second Tripoli. Gap analysis with current solution. It is a new product, so there are no available solution for this project as of now. So the probable competitors for this products are Wellmany, Light Speed or Innovation, Global Li-Fi Tech, and Pure Li-Fi. The solution and use cases of this project are: wireless underwater communications can be established by using Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi technology cannot be used for very large distance. This problem is came up with the solution by using a BIOS connected to the satellite. The transmitted signal is in encoded form, so hackers cannot track the signal. This product can be used by the Coast Guard for deep sea rescues. It is can also be used by the defenses to track the lost submarines and ships at sea. Every product has both advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantages of this project are: other source of light may interfere with the signal. Whole infrastructure of this Li-Fi cannot be constructed. Data transfer is impossible without the light source. The target customers of these projects are the submarines and rescue operators at sea, the Coast Guard, defense or military operations, fishermen, geological condition trackers, scuba divers, and the treasure hunters. Next, I hand over this session to Linda.
Very good morning to all. Value proposition. It is split into two: product and customers. First, it shows benefits, then features, and then experience. So benefits are: this product will first resolve spectrum issues. It can be used in dense environment and hazardous area without any risk. It also provides smooth communication between surface and underwater subjects. Next two features would be secure communication between submarines and surface, and the data speed is really fast, almost 100 times faster than Wi-Fi, and the cost-wise it's equal. Also, it requires low power. Next, experience. It's easy to use and functional. It is better. It is better than the current technology, and it is more viable in the future. It is also good for easier communication and data transfer. The next, value proposition of the customer. The customer's wants and needs are taken into account here. The customer wants a technology which is high efficient, also viable, and at the same time it should be cost-wise economical. The needs are first hidden needs and then actual needs. Hidden needs would be contradictions in the product and some limitations. The actual needs would be high lifetime and no errors, nil to reduce limitations, and clarity to the inside of the product. Also, the customer has fears and conventional substitutes. So the fears are failure of the product and efficiency of the product, nothing else. And the conventional substitutes may be acoustic communication, optical communication, and RF wireless carriers. Next, uniqueness or key feature. This product features 1,000 times more spectrum than traditional wireless communication, which is Wi-Fi. It also offers high data speed, which is 10 times more than Wi-Fi speed. Light can't pass through physical environments. This is actually a limitation, but we are going to use it as our advantage. This technology is also eco-friendly and has immunity against electromagnetic radiation, which is EMR. This is the block diagram for our project. So first we feature the transmission side and the receiving side. So it is done separately, but we plan to merge it together. Next, we're going to show you a prototype. So this was developed. Thank you for your patient listening.